Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Michelle Ijama, and here we cover all things hair, skincare, law, and living your best life. So today we are going to be talking about all things hair growth, specifically 3 essential oils that are scientifically proven to promote hair growth. So if you're interested in learning more about what essential oils I'm talking about and how to use them, keep watching. But first, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. All right, before I jump into talking about these hair oils, I kind of want to address the elephant in the room, which was that in a few of my past videos I had mentioned how peppermint oil was the only essential oil that was clinically proven to promote hair growth. Obviously, I was wrong about that. You guys called me out on that, and I thank you guys so much for that, because it sparked this need to do a lot more research, and I did. And I found more information about other essential oils that have been clinically proven to promote hair growth. And so I want to share that with you, which is why I'm creating this video. All right, let's talk about lavender oil. A 2016 study showed that lavender oil applied to mice made their hair grow faster and thicker than normal. Lavender oil helps promote hair growth, it helps increase the thickness of your hair, and it has antimicrobial properties, which helps prevent fungus and bacteria from growing on your scalp. The other benefit of lavender oil is it has a calm and soothing scent. The best way to use lavender oil is to add 2 to 3 drops to 1 tablespoon of your favorite carrier oil, and to apply that directly to your scalp, and to give yourself a massage for about 10 minutes. You can also add a few drops of lavender oil to your favorite shampoo, conditioner, and other hair treatments. Let's talk about rosemary oil. A 2015 study showed that people with DHT related hair loss saw significant hair growth after using rosemary oil for 6 months. Rosemary oil promotes blood circulation to the scalp. It inhibits DHT, which causes hair loss and balding, and it has anti-inflammatory properties, which basically helps keep scalp issues away. The best way to use rosemary oil is to add 2 to 3 drops to 1 tablespoon of your favorite carrier oil, and to massage it into your scalp. You can also make your own DIY rosemary oil by infusing rosemary into your favorite oils. I have a tutorial on the oil that I make at home. Definitely check it out if you're interested. All right, let's talk about peppermint oil. A 2014 study showed that peppermint oil applied to mice made their hair grow faster and thicker and increased blood flow to malnourished follicles. Peppermint oil promotes growth by increasing blood flow circulation to your scalp. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, and it helps treat scalp issues like dryness, itchiness, and dandruff. The best way to use peppermint oil is to add 2 to 3 drops into 1 tablespoon of your favorite carrier oil, and to massage it into your scalp. You can also apply drops to your favorite shampoo, conditioners, and hair treatments so that you can stimulate blood circulation while you treat and cleanse your hair.
Please do not apply these essential oils directly to your scalp. You do need to dilute them before massaging them into your scalp. Otherwise, you will irritate your skin. In addition to that, you want to make sure that you're not overusing these products, because they are super potent. And like I said before, they may irritate your scalp and actually cause an adverse effect. So pay attention to how your skin reacts to these essential oils when you add them to your products.
So those are the 3 essential oils that I wanted to cover. Please let me know if you've tried any of the essential oils down below. I'm also curious, what other essential oils do you know promote hair growth, and how do you use them? All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.